guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show to you how you can be more creative with your text in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, let's start. I have created my simple document and now I will highlight my horizon type tool and I will type single letter B. I will resize my letter just like that and I will click OK to accept all changes. Using my move tool, I will reposition it and voila. Also, I have opened my Creative Cloud library with image I would like to work with. Today, I will click on this image and drag it into my document. I will reposition it, I will resize it, and I will click OK to accept all changes. In the layers panel, I will apply clipping mask to my top two layers. And I will resize my top layer, my image layer, and also I will reposition it just like that. Perfect, I love it. Also, I will bring down opacity of this layer. While I have highlighted my top image layer, I will apply a layer mask to this layer. I will switch to my gradient tool with black foreground color and I will paint out part of my image layer. Just like that. How simple is it? Now, guys, I will switch to my type tool one more time. I will bring size down for my font, just like that, and I will change the color white. And very simple word, Victoria Pavlov, just like that. I will rotate my text and I will move it. Using my move tool, I will move it just like that. And I will click OK, I'm done. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you have some time and would like to dig deeper into this topic, please stay with me and I will share with you a few tips and tricks. So guys, let's start again. First of all, I will delete my top three layers. We don't need these layers anymore for now. Just like that. And let's start. I have opened Adobe Photoshop and also I have created my simple document. You can create your document in any size you like. Also, you can use any background for any color for your background. Guys, everything is up to you. I have only one layer. By default right now, it's a simple white background layer. And I will highlight my horizon type tool. I will type a very single letter, B. Guys, you can type any letter you like. You can create any text you like. Everything is up to you. And I can resize my letter just like that. And I will click OK to accept all changes. Using the type tool, I will reposition my text. And I'm happy right now. I will switch to my Creative Cloud library. So I have opened my library with all images I downloaded and licensed from Adobe Stock. Guys, you can use any images you like, but my recommendation is, doesn't matter what images you are working with, I will recommend to save all those images in your Creative Cloud library. In this way, you will access to your images from anywhere, from any Adobe application. This will bring your workflow to completely another level. So here I have one image I would like to work with. Today I will click on this image and I will drag it into my document. I can resize this image a layer, I can reposition it, and after I will say OK, I'm happy, I will click OK to accept all changes. Now guys, I would like to bring this image into my B letter. The easiest way, fastest way is to apply clipping mask. So what I will do, I will click and hold my Option key and I will point my cursor between my top two layers, between my image layer and my type layer, just like that. And when I will see that my cursor change icon to arrow pointed down icon, I will click between the two layers, just like this, and voila. I still have highlighted my top layer, my image layer, and using the move tool, I will resize it. I will bring size of this layer down and also I will reposition it. Perfect, just like that. I like it. Because I have I still have highlighted my top layer, my image layer. I can bring down opacity of this layer just like that, and I can apply a layer mask to this layer just like that. I will highlight my layer mask, and using gradient tool with black foreground color from type of my gradient tool from a black to transparent, and I will bring opacity for my gradient tool to 77. I will paint out some part of my top layer, of my image layer, just like this. Look at this, guys, how beautiful is it? Now we will apply one extra step to make this image more interesting. I will highlight my type tool one more time. I will bring down size for my type tool, and also I will change the color just like that. And now I will type a very simple name, Victoria Pavlov, just like that. Definitely you can change the size for your text, you can use different font, everything is up to you guys. Now what I will do, I will rotate my layer just like that, and using the move tool I will reposition it. Guys, you can reposition it in any way you like. I will reposition it to top left corner, and I'm happy. I can bring down opacity of my layer just like that, and voila. Guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. You can be much more creative with your text in Adobe Photoshop. Just experiment, just try different effect, different style, and I can guarantee you can develop your own style. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions, guys, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. Thank you. I so much appreciate your time. Thank you so much, and I will see you later. Bye guys.